Exploring dividend stocks for passive income. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. In this video, we'll explore how to use dividend stocks to generate passive income. Understand dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. Choose high-yield dividend stocks. Look for stocks with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends, such as those from established companies. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in dividend stocks across various sectors to reduce risk and enhance stability. Reinvest dividends. Consider using a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to automatically reinvest dividends into additional shares. Monitor performance. Regularly review the performance of your dividend stocks and make adjustments based on company health and market conditions. Understand tax implications. Be aware of how dividend income is taxed and plan accordingly to maximize your returns. We hope these tips help you get started with dividend stocks for passive income. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.